Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Wayne's World. Hey, we've got this Ford 1961 vintage Dana 44. It's an 8-lug. There's the wheel off of it. Alright, so I'm going to show people how easy this disc brake kit is. I've made a couple videos, and I'm going to make a couple more. I had a client send me a link today of some guy that did this before, trying to sell the thing. I mean, if there's 14 steps, there's 40. It's shit, I didn't even understand it, and I understand everything. So, here we go. We've taken everything off, and we're left with our spindle. Here's our primary spindle bracket right here. I've already put this together, 2 large grade 8 bolts and the spacers. You with me? So, this has to bolt on like that. And basically, the caliper's in the 2 o'clock trailing position. Why is that? Because it's one of the best positions to keep it up out of the debris. And it's one of the, that just fits right there. So, how am I going to put it on? I get to reuse my factory bolts. Anytime you can reuse the factory hardware, that's always kind of cool. I think it is. So I've already put this together. I think you can probably see how freaking simple it is. Alright, I'm using 2 bolts for demonstration. Of course you're going to put them all in. Please don't call me up and say, how many do I put in? I only saw you put in 2. You think that shit's funny? I'll get that question. No, I won't. Poor Kate will. I refuse to even answer that shit. Just don't even do it. There we go. It's already mounted, friends. That's it. I also do these videos so that people that don't have the time or don't want to fool with it, when they do get somebody to help them, they ain't getting taken to the damn cleaners. Alright. Rotor in our factory hub. And I wanted you to see this. That, hell, I'm just sitting out here in the cold February 7th here in Fort Worth, Texas. And it's only about 50 degrees. Shit, that's uncomfortable for me. That's almost shutting down the whole world. Screw your big old spindle nut on there. There we go. He's probably pretty close. We'll double check him. Gang, we're almost done. If you can't do this in an hour aside, yank this stuff off, or maybe 2 hours if you really slow and kind of little rusty. Here's our caliper. Got that little clip, holds that inner pad in, which is pretty cool. Right? Kind of holds it in right there. We're already ready to set the caliper, folks. Are you with me? We're almost done already. There we go. We have our 2 caliper pins. Take your time. Don't strip out the threads in your bracket. Take your freaking time. You already done, and it ain't taking no time at all. Folks, you've got front disc brakes on your front axle of your old buggy already. I want you to see how simple that is. We ain't talking about no Mickey Mouse stuff. 1.25 inch, mid-80s, rotor, lot of stopping power. I don't know how simpler I can make it. Poor Kate will still get phone calls when people, well, how do I do that? Did you watch the video? Well, I watched a minute or two. There you go. Please don't call up or send an email and go, are my wheels gonna fit? We don't make stuff where the wheels don't fit like everybody else. That's probably one of the stupidest things I've ever seen being a manufacturer. People actually make stuff that don't fit. They do. There you go, my friends. I don't know how much simpler I can do that. If you feel uncomfortable, get you some help. God bless you. God bless America. And happy trucking.